C'est bien vous, c'est bien nous pour la suite de Cadence matinale, mesdames et messieurs. Nous allons rester encore avec vous jusqu'à 9 heures. Voici maintenant le Pidgin TV News de Ambassador. Ambassador, you are welcome. Pa.
Yes, glad good morning.
Ah, c'est pas. You are welcome. Pa.
I don't want to start for fight with you the early morning. Do you know? I don't tell say I don't want to start fight. Now Monday this, I better no start fight.
Okay.
No take play go for corner eye.
Okay.
Because when you take play go for corner eye, now me say the eye get for boss. So no start fight. Respect my order.
Okay.
My order na my order.
Okay. So na order.
Na my order.
Ah.
I always say mommy you like her.
Yes.
Okay, me I don't like papa.
You are welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How your weekend be happen?
Fine.
I be enjoy the day.
Fine.
How many
What?
that should you be get out the day? You
Nothing.
be get plenty. Must no give you.
No.
Hey,
You don't give me?
no ask me. I ask I say must no give you.
I say no.
Ndongo no give you.
No.
Sylvester no give you.
No.
I want to say all that people there. Sylvester and Ndongo na just sweet mop.
You give me.
No worry. Now let me on now. You know now let me on. I be tell happy birthday for you.
Yes.
So that person be tell you.
No.
Now let me on now. Very good. Now let me say I remember you. So that one said already big thing.
Okay.
But no worry. Now we.
Okay.
Tori for corner side for the morning time we go start now for enter for inside Palava for exam. You sabi say today GCE, GCE and A level they start right exam. It means say picking the way they did for Form 5 and 1 then 2 they did for opposite for Anglophone subsection for book. They start write their own public exam today. And sabi say the exam it did now for some kind of time where all money had in the court. All money had in the court. They no sabi wait away if he pass, but sabi say inside the number for picking they write to get like some 129,700 picking them way they she done for write that exam this year, and the Torio enter for a year they try for Teresa around 5,000 picking them. They short compared to number where they write for 2017, so around 5,000 picking them. They short for the total number where they write for 2017. Now for inside church we say congratulate, and for talk congratulate for right Reverend Funky Samuel Foba. He be moderator for Presbyterian Church for Cameroon.
Yes.
They don't put it like Ogak Patakpata, na he be head boy now for SEPCA. People there they know sabi SEPCA na Cameroon Protestant Churches Association. I mean say all Protestant them for Protestant church them Baptist, Presbyterian, Église Evangelique, all the one day they fall under Presbyterian now. Right Reverend Funky Samuel, now they now like a head boy for that association for all Protestant churches for inside country. That's a vote he passed now for inside Douala SSF this weekend we he passed, and as well they talk now for we for congratulate them. Sabi say when they put you for work like a church, like a pastor for some side, then you don't she don't for the only for some short time, then you do some better work. If I say me they congratulate you. You get some deep pastor way there for that side, so for Presbyterian Church for Compina. Yes, they call in a Reverend Mrs. Tankwa Priscilla. He don't she done for that place for 3 years.
3 years. Yes.
Inside 3 years, he don't make church house.
Wow.
That one not only for class. Some people the day when they she done for that place, as you know, they sabi say chop they plenty. They only the chop. Only the chop. They no member say Papa God a picking them too. They need for she done for better house or prayer for Papa God. So he don't she done for the only 3 years. He don't make church house. Congratulate for that woman. Then Palava Elekam inside the weekend will enter to be come out. They say whether Abdullah Babale don't do it, you know. He never do it, you know. All man Congo side for this side. Abdullah Babale they will send him for by force pension. Abdullah Babale they will send him for by force pension. But certain now will never hear wait to Okunkuma talk. Sabi say board member them for election they be meet up for Friday for that side so for Yawende. And inside that meeting they be meet up they try for talk say plenty confusion don't they enter for inside the house, and they blame na their big man. Oga Abdullah Babale say na he don't cause am. So all man be the sabi say maybe before go one enter today, so they go don't put new big man for Elekam. But sabi say all the things so they happen. That part be come for Douala. We never overstay. Yes, it come for can give new thing the way they use them for a vote. Then they like say that people they be waiting. Time we board meeting for Elekam hold then they hammer. And so they hammer. So we stay wait whether they go Naki casting go the movie or Nkunkuma go get sorry heart, he's also living like a head boy. Sabi say vote the council more time. So when you want start change now, na big mistake, eh? I say you bring different person who go understand the game. But if you the one person who don't already understand the game, even Nkunkuma had get for court. So that one na just Tori for corner side. Inside Tori for the morning time, SDF will be glad they are number 28. Bonday, it be dinner for Saturday. But for Douala here, Oganuhu Bello, when a DO for Douala 3, say Lala, made the no just try make work for inside Douala. We go talk that one. Then Palava to Mancho BBC now for Friday we last. They give them Kasingo. Mancho go remain for Ngata for 15 years. Yes. And if we calculate the year we Mancho get for Komot, it go come out for 2033. Now it means na 2 years before Nkunkuma to say Cameroon get for go for before a match 2035. So Mancho go should have prison to 2033. And so it go just come out one time. 2034, 2035, Cameroon get for don't go before. So it go surely do your own a major for inside Ngata. Then Sabi say the other people then choose on one day they give them 13, other one they give them 10, other one they give them 11. So we go talk that one to the morning time. Then we go turn back to for Banga Sumo.
Okay.
For that woman. That woman where they thought say that wake up. We go see how we live there for Banga after we you understand. Small thing they be passed for day. France too. If I be other boy a chance, I go glad. Some boy they go give book like France man for Sika say help some small picking may no for some story building. Yes. Emmanuel Macron get for welcome that boy for Elysee today. Then he give book say countryman, you be France man. Na fighting. Yes. Na fighting. Paper then say they get their own talk for talk, but Sabi say all two paper they talk the morning time. Mancho BBC day. This thing will happen for Santa Idede, and even Palava kidnap with the two principal them inside the weekend we just pass for inside Southwest. All that one they saw. Now all the people then they talk on the morning time. Okay.
Now the story for today, come the people now. Now time for the big pie talk.
Big pie talk for this morning time. Editor we say if beer for me say na plenty sense. It means say as well far the left beer so plenty. And all go them, they left beer so plenty. If beer forever been as in a plenty sense we man get am. Sabi say goat, he own sense if I don't pass mark. Yes, if beer for me na sense we person get am. Sabi say goat, he own sense if I don't go na different level. But Sabi say the beer na just they just frighten people them for no nothing. Yes. Like Fare, they keep am. Like better no my own a small one. It makes sense. Makes sense. So that one like Osama bin Laden.
Okay. So, quand the people na the story for today, na the big pie talk too. So now na Pidgin TV News.
If beer for mean say na plenty sense. Na it mean say goat if I don't get sense pass mark. I say if beer it be mean say na plenty sense. Na it mean say goat it own sense if I don't pass mark. Good morning, country people. Then we be glad for meet up una for this side. So for Equinox Tori House chapter for this time, we go begin now with the politics. We enter for talk this palaver for SDF country people. Them Sabi say number 28 birthday for SDF. It be then at this Saturday way pass. Sabi say they be born SDF for inside number 26 day for number June moon 2000 or 1990. So inside this other moon will be the enter country people. Them it be then a birthday 28 born day for SDF people. Them but for Douala here SDF people they be don't plan everything. They go make small sport worker for that side. So from Logbaba so they land for place where they call them say a Karifu Kombi. But last when the people them work away SDF people they be talk say they get for worker it no be last hole. Now for Sika waiting. Oga divisional officer for inside Douala here. Now book that way sign them. They don't give book for say they want make the worker 2 months for back. but the book for Oga Divisional Officer, he come on a day before they begin for do the worker. Say waiting, say SDF they go cause more confusion for roads, and as well he say SDF they go make say make traffic e dey plenty. Job to feel quack now wey say na so one man for inside SDF, he say the vex plenty for second say waiting, say CPDM he never ever has authorized say they want make worker. Why would they make am say make na other party them they must to take authorized before the worker. But last sabi say the worker wey SDF begin for worker for inside Douala here, e no behold. Yes, they only sit down for their own side. They read message wey Pa Chairman ni John Frundi e don send am. Sabi say we be talk with Pa ni John Frundi for that side, so for Bamenda for ask this palava wey dey so they block a party them for this side make dem no work am. He talk say wetin Pa talk say all that people the way they don't talk say make SDF no worker. Make the sabi say even time when they want launch SDF party for that place them they be so denied. But who say SDF day today? SDF is also there for inside that place, and as everything now for say make popular for make they make a SDF is skin for show plenty for outside for people there. So worker for SDF it no be worker fine for inside Douala as we DO no below it deny say make they no do that worker. Dirty for inside Douala, we go so talk we be rich now for that side, so from Kululun country people them now for side we say make una see am. Now water that way don't turn up, and for corner the water way turn up. Waiting the day. Now only dirty. Una dey see am. Now dirty this way normal. They be get for can't carry all the dirty them. But who say they cancel people they only sabi na for can't carry their 100 for cancel money. They go there. Apart from that one, the market dirty. See how man they put the foot. Truck man, he put the foot for some water way. The water don't all pass his. Yes, he the enter for inside. Water, he don't so pass it. He don't so pass it. But he the enter for inside. Now only waiting. Now only for palava for waiting. Only for palava for dirty. For inside that place where they call and say Kululun. And say even inside the market say. You see am? Now someone they now they don't can place where they sell pineapple for that side for the market, and place where they sell watermelon for inside the market. Only so dirty, but now they say they carry the dirty. See how they carry, but they don't pack small for them. They will carry and go through for side where they sabi say they throw away dirty. But so the market is also remain. See how people they work for inside dirty, and we there for inside economic capital where normal country peoples they begin forget container wey get for carry all the thing they so. Yes, people they get for the way they get for can't carry thing the bet as well with the talk. Kululun says I said well don't go now only for side way they say fruit, watermelon, pineapple, small orange, but dirty in no so left them for that side. And until when they job buy one time chopper, so when they said they cut them for that place, you the seller. Yes, they cut and so for that place they sell them, but no man know the look of the market. The market just dey so. Over far way, market say from Kululu. When I say no, now Kululu market that better no follow it. I say better no follow Kululu market at all. Now for Sika say waiting, all man don't do it in them. For corner road they say, and just for corner day you get gendarme from Kululu. That one then too they don't talk so. Where they only for before the place gendarme self they don't keep moto them for before. Moto them. Who side garage safe day? Who side place where they keep other moto them? So all the one they saw now the small urban disorder. Market people then tell them say make they no sell for corner road. They go so she don't for corner road say when small accident happen, bam you go here. 2 people they don't die. 3 people they don't die. Now gendarme place that in over far away. Over far away from Kululu, over far away from market. All the work people they don't walk try for do and see moto there they don't put them on top there. Only for Sika say waiting. Whether they want go do na investigate, police people they say for that side from Kululu they don't try their own. We no day. They don't try all kind of style for say make the market people they even respect commander. We no day. So we no sabi who if he talk for billionaire people them say for sell for corner road, no fine. And the police people then too for help say make they clean dirty. Yes, for before gendarmes so moto there, moto there, kada there. One way they don't jam so they way no day. They also pack them for before. Space no day for other people then for pass. Now for say make they clean that place. Mancho BBC, a case, we go talk. I say case for Mancho BBC, we go talk. Last. Casting go don't fall on top Mancho. I say waiting. Last. Casting go, it don't fall on top Mancho. Now for Sika say waiting. Inside court where it be happen na which day, it be pass for inside Friday. Courthouse a talk e own casting go wey give for Mancho BBC. And the casting go na say waiting. They give Mancho BBC 15 year for Ngata. I say waiting. 15 year for Ngata. Now where they give for Mancho BBC. Then on top that one, you get people that like a Tengwa Malvin, Ta Emil, and you get other people that like Alecha Martin, where they give them 13 year. Another person too will get 15 year like Mancho BBC, na Chi Conrad. Then we get person like Awa Tomaso, they give 11 year for Ngata. Then the smallest year where they give na for who? Jinga Valentine will get 10 year for Shidon for Ngata. Sabi say on top that one, they talk say they go pay damage for courts and civil party. For courts, they go give them 64 million. Then for civil party, they go give them 204 million. It means nothing na the damage that where it take country. For say make the judge this palaver for Mancho BBC. And on top that one, Sabi say inside courthouse for that day, there be one give card. Yes, a representative for America people, there be one give card for Mancho BBC. They deny. They thought say made them no just try see some person where he carry that card. So Mancho BBC automatic. I don't already calculate am. He go come up from Ngata 2 years before Cameroon a match. Yes, he go come up from Ngata 2 years before Cameroon a match. If as a lawyer they be told say they go appeal. If they no turn back for appeal the case, it means a Mancho go remain for this 2033, 2034, 2035. They say Cameroon get for go for before. So now they call that. Sabi say Barrister Agbobalawe say e be there for chair for Mancho BBC for say wait made the judge see as well they go commode them. He said that thing where it happen for court. Now big disgrace for Cameroon, their justice. Big disgrace. For Sika say waiting. Even person where he the talk for inside courthouse. All that one. So 1 o'clock we go surely turn back for that palaver for case for Mancho BBC. Now so make we turn our heads, we take una go for Banga. They talk say na die wake up. But how they die wake up it be last V. We enter back for town for Banga country people then for talk say waiting. Life a day normal JJ for that side of Banga. And as well life a day back for normal. We turn back for that quarter where it day so they say die wake up be the day. Yes. They get their permit place. And the permit place, people, they no fear, they don't turn back. Sabi say, if they talk say football, now way they bring people there for one place. Mimbo too, now so another two way they bring people there for one place. For Sika even as well they talk say, die wake up be there. People, they don't turn back. Oh. They say better, if in die wake up, make they leave them one side. They don't give them Matango. So the same place. Na pa get that place, they say Matango. And hot Mimbo, Afofo. Jacquino salute that man. I don't come back for day. So it be then a palaver for say waiting. Jacquino used to say drink your own small hot mimbo for that woman where they say die wake up. Drink. See whether you die wake up to Sunday. You see, I know. Jacquino test time. He say no, the woman never die wake up. Now the woman don't enter back for a normal activity. Yes, master the give authorize, the give command, say do and do. 12 o'clock, woman enter for inside kitchen. Say make he cook some small granite soup, make people then chop for that side. No man know the fear, Life, he don't turn back to normal for that woman then. Mommy, so he said love you there for inside the world. Whether they say na direct or no be direct, tell for them say you, give him again. Another one, give him again. Very good. You don't see him? Correct love. Jacquino Moro maybe give a microphone for some one person for that side for Banga. We'll ask the question, say, Banga na how? After that to be passed, say person die wake up.
Banga don't wake up now. First can say, that way people don't know say na lie. Any man don't sleep for your house now. And since that time, people where they not behave for magic, then be sure say man nothing die after he come out. But how is some big people, some big radio, some big television don't talk saying that true? Cameroon get plenty problem just now. That's the most small confusion. He go bring again. Banga get too much not all the time. Now people don't come come here. So problem from Banga. He make them super fast so far. He make them population so far. Just know how we want systems sleep again. Then bring again a problem for magic for Banga.
So, country people, them last question will be try for ask that man where Jacquino give microphone so now for say waiting palaver for magic. Who get for here, who no get for here, or if you say magic, even they save.
this thing for magic for Cameroon. That way you just say magic there someplace. If you think twice before you accept magic there for all countries for just ground. But no, just we kind of magic. Magic na science. 1 + 1 is 2. No magic no go make say 1 + 1 is 3. People wait and talk say then GP for wait and go for church. When I give una heart for God. Except for traditional church. When I give una heart for una tradition, left this thing for magic.
Neighbor said for that woman for that side, so for Banga, it be talk for Jacques Nomolo in microphone. We'll be try for asking whether fear so there for a mind after the direct palava will be passed.
Oh, we no get fear because we no say no be no. No be. He just create na emotive. Maybe he be the hungry forget that he master that man. They come na just say na we don't turn back. I get from Banga, no be na. The one way be that family become as they be hear that thing they become to they can't conform and say no be. They go then they come out from loom come now. Yes, no be na their sister. They would read na say get mental problem now. Get mental problem. Because throughout, as if we just first come for that place with the looky, it don't mean like 5 days so day before that thing come out see he be that die woman. Would you see behavior for day? Would you say he get mental problem? The behavior they should say no they fine. You know one come out here again for day. You like that man?
So now so it pass life it don't turn back for normal for that people them where they say direct palava for side where they call them say Banga una sabi say Thursday way pass then say they be with stranger for Eric Kwamo a program where they call them say regard social una be here all the way be pass for that side. Now last story for this time we go take una go for France we go show so oh that boy he be then a Superman so for Sika that one Emmanuel Macron, he don't talk say he must to take the boy for inside Elysee. And as well he talk for the boy take come good and congratulate. He dey give book one time, so you be France countryman. So now the thing that will go happen, young man, he go for France, he no get no book, no nothing. So for security way do and so. Emmanuel Macron don't talk say come for Elysee. Now no any man they come for Elysee, but I dey give you invite. Come for Elysee, I go give you book, you be correct man for France. So in own case, he don't finish. He no be Malian man again. He be now so person for inside France. Toriwe newspaper then say they talk for this time. We go begin now with the media newspaper where it dey for outside this time. It tell we palava for Norwest and Southwest. Anglophone refugee them according to way at the media talk. All the people that they did run for Sekadi palava war. All them they don't flop nana for road them for quarter them for inside Kumba. Now so to the talks also for inside the chain chapter for Norwest and Southwest. They say case for Mancho BBC and the 6 other people that they be give them where they be the judge them last. Judgments it don't come out as well they give them their different casting go them for that side so for Yawinde. So for inside the chapter the media need to talk as well parliament for Queen Elisa country so say it don't buy case for this palava for Norwest and Southwest. Now so to the media it talk this story palava the plenty people them where they be die for that side so for Pin for Santa. Other tori the day with the median where it dey for outside this time a talkam palava elekam it dey for inside and other small thing them. Make we enter for inside the guidance post too where it dey for outside this morning time. The guidance post where dey for outside the morning time it tell we say waiting say palava Norwest and Southwest now only blood where people they take a like a water wash and for on top their skin for that side so for Santa. This one now after we 25 young boy them they die straight sleep straight for that side for Santa. Now inside the weekend it's also for the guidance they say Santa CPD and people them they never talk no nothing inside this palava. So for the palava for Norwest and Southwest you go read some story for the way they talk say some people that with the gun they don't thief 2 principal them for that side so for Southwest. One na principal for GHS Bolifamba for Limbe for mile 16. Another one na principal for Baptist Academy for that side so for Moyoka. Case for Mancho BBC SSF it dey for inside story for the guidance post as well they determine say Kamamburu court for side for Yawinde it don't give Mancho BBC and the 6 other people then they're casting go last. This one it happen after 60 moon where they don't the judge that case. So for inside the same chapter for Norwest and and Southwest. African, I mean, say waiting, traditional people, them, traditional ruler, them for inside Africa. Then say they don't talk, say they want join them up for see as well this palaver, where it happen for Northwest and Southwest, if it's for N. GCE2, it for inside the Guardian Post, as well they tell you say they start to them, but palaver security, now the big question that, where they try for action for the Guardian Post. The Sun newspaper says where they for outside this time, it gets its own chapter for Terry inside the Sun newspaper. They tell you say waiting, palaver for Northwest and Southwest, weekend where it be bad for that side so for Northwest, after where they be keep plenty people them for main camp, pin, they tell you say now over 25 houses too, where it is so with the bonham, then one person to die for that side so for Belu. So for the same chapter, they talk say United States for Donald Trump country, then say they don't so support their ambassador after the thing where it be happen for Cameroon. Case for Mancho BBC, the son editor is waiting. Mancho BBC na 15 years gatam, they don't give them. The 6 other people they say they get their own different casting away they give for them. Then on top of that one, they go pay total money 268 million for damage where they give them for court. Elekam say Tori ide for inside that chapter. The Post ide too for outside this morning time, waiting there for inside the Post this morning time. The Post too it take we back for that side so for men capping for Terry as well plenty people them they be die this weekend where it pass. Then the Post it ask na BB question why we talk with United States ambassador it talk for Cameroon it don't instead the cause confusion for inside Yaoundé. Now the BB question that where the Post he asked them this morning time. So for inside the Post they tell with Tori say waiting. Mancho BBC and 6 other people them they go get 90 years for inside Ngata. So they tell me to say palava thief people them palava kidnap it don't turn back again as well this weekend we pass. Now so the 2 principal them where it is so they thief them for that side so for Southwest as well talk one na GHS Bolifamba mile 16 and other one Baptist Academy for that side so for inside Moyoka. The Star newspaper says where it did to for outside this morning time it get its own number for Terry. The Star newspaper country people them they take the Voice newspaper where it did for outside the Voice newspaper where they for outside palava for Southern Cameroon palava for Northwest and Southwest according to the Voice Southern Cameroon palava they say waiting plenty people them they did just now for inside bush for Sika say waiting Oman edifier. So for inside the Voice newspaper they tell you say waiting this palava for Norwest Southwest Mancho BBC and the other people then they don't give them plenty casting go after 16 months when they be the judge their case. Now so to they talk this palava die way it happened for Sawe they call and say Santam the Voice newspaper it talk that story plus other one them you feel read them for inside the Voice newspaper where it did for outside this morning time. The evening newspaper says it did for outside they tell you say waiting it be then a Black Friday for Anglophone them. Yes it be then a Black Friday for Anglophone them. Now for Sika say waiting over you get more than 40 young boy them where they kill them inside 48 hours. Yes how many boy them 40 boys where they kill them inside 48 hours. On top of that one they tell we Aswe Banga Bakunzu Ekombe all the village them plus Oshe Ngo all their market them they don't burn them. Now for Sika waiting the Eden it get that answer. 2018 exam when a GCSS in the look at them they say this one it is start today where they don't thief principal them for that side so for inside Southwest. So for the same chapter they say security SSF they don't put on cankpe for say make no nothing it no happen. Palava elect and SSF it dey for inside the Eden newspaper where it dey for outside as well they talk waiting big board chair for Elekam big this board chair for Elekam when a big man Abdullah Babale by first pension after they talk say this so it don't make magu the Eden SSF it talk say Haman Aduru na be the new big man where go shidon for Chewe Abdullah Babale 11 for back according to it with the Eden it talk. So, afternoon, we go surely turn back for inside the Star newspaper when one of the paper they will jump on this morning time. Corner people them, I will get some small magu, but for afternoon, we go turn back for inside the Star newspaper. We dey talk happy Bonday, another Bonday again, we it come for Monday. For one of my changer, the way they ever come for PG News debate, La Gabonaise, we say don't add number, another 1 year again for your year today. As Sabi say, you be tonton woman, but we talk happy Bonday for any Saturday day. Just enjoy your Bonday fine, and for talks everything, Papa God continue for help you for go for before. So, we don't finish chapter 1, chapter 2 then for 1 o'clock, and for 2 o'clock for radio, PG News Idede. Any Saturday, 93.0 FM. Now for the way if you hear me for 2 o'clock for radio, then for 1 o'clock, you go so see me for tele. For now, I salute all man for Asa Day, make una hold am tight. I go turn back now sote for 1 o'clock.